coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, from a Zenpop box, go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. We got this Sapporo Ichiban Maiten no Aji Tenkaippin Kyoto Noukou Toripaitan. And this one goes for 5 minutes with 410 mils of water. Now you know. And knowing is the battle. I think. I suppose. So we're going to drop this. Now, if you see this, this is definitely not the kind of instant noodle you can go and take a bite out of. You don't want to do that. That would not behoove you. This one, yeah, this goes in now. This is more solid ingredient. So that's good. So here is that. And then we've got scissors. Let me look at this. This could be a topping. It could, but I have a feeling this goes in right about now. And yeah, this is like dehydrated vegetable. So we're dropping that in. And setting 5. Whoop, let it be 1. Yeah. 5 minutes on the old Bra Pilot. What a wonderful name for a kitchen timer. Isn't that just the strangest thing you've ever... I don't know. I think it's kind of weird. So today I'm going to go attempt to get a COVID booster, and I'll see what the... I have a feeling they're going to be like, nyah, 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 nyah. But, hey. It's worth a shot. No pun intended. But, you know. And it is Thursday. It's been warm. Did a 10-mile walk in about 80-degree temp yesterday. I hope it'll be nice and breezy again today. The breeze is nice, but the lack of breeze is not my favorite. But what do you do? And we got a powder and a liquid. So now we just kind of wait around, hang out for 3 minutes and 40 seconds or so. So you'll see some new intros and outros. I'm going to do more new intros and outros this weekend because I'm going on a special vacation with my daughter. And I edited a bunch of intros and outros this morning from our special outing last weekend, where trains were involved. So you'll see those right quick. What else is going on? Prime Day is over. I don't think we really got anything for Prime Day. We didn't get a new robot vacuum cleaner. I don't have a robot. We don't have one of those. We're the robot that controls our vacuum. And oh my god. How would you have a robot vacuum cleaner in a house with small children with toys that are tiny? That would just like destroy the thing immediately. I don't know. What would be neat is a robot vacuum cleaner that emptied itself in the trash can and took the trash out. There you go. A robot that does your laundry, takes the trash out. You just like throw your clothes wherever in the morning, and when you get back home, your house is spotless. That's coming. I can guarantee you that. It'll be a while, but that's on the way. I can bet you. What I used to really like, and I still like, is so in the morning before the kids go to school, around 7 a.m. they've got this 1 hour long thing of old cartoons like Bugs Bunny and Donald Duck. Not Disney, but you know what I mean, Warner Brothers stuff. And they have these really old ones that are like the house of tomorrow or the car of tomorrow, like the futuristic ones. Those are my absolute favorite ones. Those, and when the mouse is walking around and like finding all these different bottles and drinking them and getting drunk. The mouse that gets drunk, you know what I'm talking. Wears a little tiny hat, and then all the bottles are like looking at him. He's all like, and then like there's one that says like old maid on it, and then she's like cursing him out. That I love those. And there's another one with Porky Pig, because Porky Pig's like a little kid. This is like from the 30s, I think, and he goes and he finds like an old stogie and like lights it and takes a puff off of it and wanders into this place, and there's this evil scientist that's like, really? That straps him into a chair, and like there's this crazy machine that like rotates and like puts cigars in his mouth and makes him drink and all this crazy business. It's like, wow, that's nuts. I love it. I can't get enough of that. There's some really weird concepts that are thrown out there in the old cartoony world. I like that action. Yeah. There was one of those old cartoons that really used to get to me. Actually, it was there was like this big dog, like, you know, Spike or Duke or whatever, a big gray dog. And then there was a little kitten, and the dog thought the kitten was dead. And I was like maybe like 6 or 7, and I just lost it. I was like so freaked. It's like it's a cartoon. But, you know. Toripaitan. I have a feeling this is going to be nice and chickeny from the Zen Pop description. I made chicken at 5 in the morning. I got up and I baked some chicken to put with this. So chicken will be in here, as will egg. Ooh, I'm looking kind of creamy. I don't know. Creamy chicken. And then the liquid base. Very Noukou. I don't know what Noukou, the romanization of a Japanese word means. I figured out Niniku means garlic, and I think the tori in Toripaitan, it's either, I want to say the tori part is chicken, but I could be wrong about that too. I just see things repeated on different varieties that are different flavors and go like, okay, this is that, this is this, this is this. You see it enough times, it just, you kind of rule everything else out. Ooh, these look nice. Fancy. Let's try some, attempt to try some fancy ramen. Cheers. Mmm. I think that was a chicken bit. Mmm, that's tasty. Broth, nice and deep color, nice and thick. Well, no question about that one. 5 stars. That's good. That is good. It's funny, in the description it says it's as good as going to these. So this one's called Tenkaippin. I think that might be the pronunciation. Or Tenkaippin. I don't know, but I'm gonna go Tenkaippin. Just a guess. But this is just as good as going to the restaurant and having some. It's like, maybe. If they serve a lot of instant noodles at the restaurant. Look at that. Wow. See, that's when I say I like I like broths to be kind of sloppy. This is thick. This is very lavish stuff. I approve. I approve. Here's some of the purposely made chicken just for this bowl. And now there's extra chicken. My wife can enjoy. She enjoys chicken. Most folk enjoy chicken. That's why it's the most popular instant noodle flavor in the world. Or at least the most commonly produced. I'm gonna say I'm pretty sure of that. I've had some bad chicken varieties, but I've had some that are just really good. This is a good one. There's one on my top 10 list this year that's freaking mind-blowing. And that one's from Taiwan. But it's got a bunch of stuff going on. I mean, it's got booze in it. It's really fancy stuff. Now, let's slap our beauty egg in here. Come on, beauty egg, work with me today. I'm trying to do 3 really nice look. I mean, I try to make them look nice every day, but oh. Okay. These things can be kind of unwieldy. That's what I'm talking about right now. Yes. Got some of that. I'm gonna add some niggy. And some sesame seed. I think I'll put a little bit of shichimi on that chicken too. I had somebody asking me about my finishing images. If you go and look at this review, or if that's what you're doing, you'll see a background with it. And those are things I found all over the internet. I kind of gravitate towards older, like wall coverings and things. They just kind of got a kitschy, old school, Better Homes and Gardens weirdo cookbook feel to them that I thoroughly enjoy. But yeah, look at that. Wow. Nice. Perfecto. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is another Zen Pop variety, of course. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenator for a discount. This one is Marashan Gatsumori Nagoya Taiwan Ramen. And this came out of a bowl that was like that big. It's 530 mils of water for this one. It's a big freaking ridiculous. So if you like big freaking ridiculous, tune in for the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Times. I've been Hans the Ramenator, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.